So you're ready for that big remodeling project that you have been planning for, but it will require you to remove one or several walls and you're unsure about what to do. Finding out if a wall is load-bearing or not can be a complex endeavor, and only an experienced licensed engineer should be the one making this decision. An engineer will have to perform a site visit to review the scope of work with you directly or your builder and start inspecting the residence. It's a difficult task as the engineer will need to understand how the house is framed using visual evidence but also past experiences, as finished materials will cover most of the framing. If the wall is indeed load-bearing, the engineer will have to design a beam to appropriately support what the wall used to, and will need to completely investigate the lower levels of the residence to understand how the new beam will be properly supported all the way down to the foundation. This could require adding additional beams and/or columns at the lower levels of the house to offer a load pass to the foundation. Once the engineer has gathered all the information necessary during his site visit, he will be able to provide a design plan to the client. This plan will most likely be in the form of a signed letter and computer or hand-drawn details. These deliverables can then be provided to the builders of your choice so that he may execute the plan. Keep in mind that since the finished materials are typically hiding the framing, it is possible that once your builder starts to do the work, they could find that some areas of the house were framed differently from what the engineer had assumed. In that case, communication between the builder and the engineer will be necessary to make the appropriate adjustment. This is completely normal when it comes to remodeling project, especially if you do not have the original blueprint of the house, which most people do not. Please check out the rest of our website for more information, and do not hesitate to email me directly or fill out the contact form on our website to inquire about your wall removal project.